So guys, this is part 2. As I was saying, my mom is literally getting some stuff for the bag. Okay, there we go.
Ngayon.
Ay,
Nasaan
hindi.
mo?
Yung galing sa nose ko nung na-atching ako. Kala ko lawal nila hindi.
Halagyan mo nito. Hawakan mo ito.
Yung the one who's gonna... My mom is the one who's gonna open.
Tapos, itagin mo lang doon.
Bibigay ko yung buong school. Hindi, yung ibang section lang. At bibigay ko lang yung... Hindi, bibigay ko lang yung mabait.
Wow, lahat sila sa klase mo.
Next.
Ako ulit. Hindi mo nabibigyan. Hari na yan.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 more left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So it will be like a mystery prize. We're making 50. English or health.
Naging ko ni teacher, bakit naman dito? Sabi niya, because it's my 7th birthday and every birthday I do this.
Yeah, but that's actually not my personality. The chocolate.
Sorry. Mamaya na. Ito lang na. Ayusin natin ito.